Hello guys, Gold Sniper here from XAUUSD, and let's begin our analysis for today. And today, if you will see, I had given today total of three trade calls. Out of that, two were successful. Only the third one, it gave till TP1, but after that, gold price reversed. Okay, and I'll tell you what that scenario was. But today, if you will see, price is right now somewhere around 1916 level, and we can. I was not expecting price to close at this level. I was expecting price to give a downfall and then reverse from here immediately. Okay, more like an operator's game, so that when the CPI data comes, gold can blast up again. But today, if we close below this channel, it's a really negative sign. Actually, it's not a good sign at all. It shows that there will further downfall is coming. Our last, if you will see, our last level of support, which it comes somewhere around like 1890 level. Okay, this was from where we bounced. Okay, and gold, after the CPI data and also everything came, it just rallied. Okay, gave an uptrend. Okay, so again we are coming to, it seems, if we close below this, it's a negative sign. We'll have to see CPI data. If that too also comes negative, I think gold will go below 1900 also. Okay, it will just break gold. So we are starting on a negative basis, but anyways, before we proceed further on gold, let's just watch the other indices. So this is first of all the dollar index. So dollar index, if you will see in the morning itself, okay, just a second. Yeah, so in the morning dollar index, if you will see, after yesterday's rally, it was slowly coming down. Okay, I told in my Telegram channel there were two scenarios. Either it's gonna bounce from here, from this 102.6 level to 103, or it's gonna give a correction till 102.30 and then give a rally upwards. Okay, and the second analysis came true. See, I'll show you in my Telegram. See, I'll just show you. I'll show you. So, in my public group, if you will see, I'll show you for today. Just a second. Yeah, so today I had posted this. Okay, I told, see, dollar index, two possibilities for today. Either continue upwards journey from here itself, or correct a little and then give upward journey. So this was my scenario number one. I thought either it can come till 102.30 and then bounce up, or from the 102.48 level itself give a bounce upside. Okay, but if you'll see, this scenario actually came true. Okay, so that's why when I saw this, that the dollar index was bullish, that's why I gave a bullish trade, I mean a bearish trade call. If you'll see, I had given here T1, sell gold between 1928 to 34, stop loss 1935. Okay, and if you will see, gold was consolidating in one single place for like almost 6 hours. Okay, um, I'll show you in chart. This is the hourly chart of gold. I'll just take the hourly chart of gold. Yeah, so if you will see, in the morning itself, gold was somewhere around this level, had come here, and exactly somewhere around here gave my sell call. Okay, for almost 6 hours. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. After 6 hours, gold decided to give a breakdown. And in the evening session, here I was expecting a reversal somewhere over here, 1920 level. It did give a good bounce, but then immediately further selling came. Okay, which I was not expecting, to close below this level. Okay, so that was a negative sign. So first trade, I had the targets which I had given, they had successfully come. Okay, even my second trade also was successful. The third trade, if you see, I want to show that one. Okay, so that's where the problem occurred. So what happened during the third trade, DXY, was falling. Okay, but suddenly it gave a huge bounce. Okay, so that's what caused, if you'll see, my third trade was somewhere around 1920, right here, 1920, 1921, approximately here, you can say. Okay, and here was the trade. I'll show you. So here I told buy now, stop loss 1916, target 1925, 1930. Okay, and if you will see, this was the chart. I gave my buy call somewhere in 1921. It instantly gave TP1. I was expecting it should go up from here itself, but unfortunately, it came down. I was not expecting it would hit RSL, but it did managed to hit our SL. So, anyways, we can't control everything. We'll have to see tomorrow CPI data also. But like I said, if closing below the channel, it's a very negative sign for gold. Okay, and the one more reason why I told you this gold, suddenly decided to fell further is because of this dollar index. Okay, see this part, when I was expecting a bounce from here, I got it right. It did bounce, in fact. But when this was coming down, this was when I gave the buy call. I was expecting, gold now it will come down. Suddenly, this immediate reversal came in dollar index, and then it became volatile. Now, dollar index, if you'll see, it is still very volatile. Okay, so because of this, and we are consolid, we have not broken this support yet. So that means we are still bullish. Okay, that's why this pressure on gold is there. Okay, even tomorrow, if this, even I think tomorrow price will either consolidate here or will stay somewhere above this 102.60 level. If CPI data is positive, the dollar index is going to blast through this 103 resistance. But at the same time, if the CPI data comes in favor, it will crash, and gold will also rise. Okay, so I have covered dollar index. Let's just cover other major currencies. So Euro USD is again somewhere near this channel. Okay, not much movement, but we can expect after the CPI data. If the data is negative, it will come crashing down. Okay, and still we are in this downward sloping channel, so definitely it can come down, but it depends on the data, I guess. We'll have to wait till tomorrow. GBP USD also still consolidating within this channel. Okay, the supports below are very major. After that, there will be huge downfalls also. So still the bearish outlook is there. Okay, we are still inside the channel. And Japanese, I will take USD JPY, and this though no need to say anything. It is very bullish. Billing means overall negative for gold. Okay, because it is USD JPY. So it is also bullish. So overall, all signs are still negative for gold. All right. Now let's start talking about gold. So gold, like I said, daily basis it is closing below this channel. It's not at all a good sign. Now our final major resistance area is if the CPI data comes negative, gold can straight down go to 1892 level to test this low. If we break this low, I think we'll have to consider, because the CPI data is very major. Some other major supports. If we break this, I think the next support should come somewhere around, I will say, from where we gave a breakout. So I will just pick this area. I think this 1880 level should be correct. I think 1880 to like 1870 zone. Yeah, somewhere over here, I'm assuming gold should take a support. Yeah, I'll just, this is the worst case scenario I'm taking, not the best case, the worst case, in absolute worst, when the data also comes not in favor, and the DXY also rallies. Only in that case, it can break this and at least try to take a support over here. All right, so our view on gold still continues to be bearish. We are entirely data driven. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say, and I'll conclude this video for now. Any and the summarized version for tomorrow, I'll share it in my Telegram channel. So if you're liking my analysis, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And that's all. Thank you, and let's see how tomorrow pans out then.